Please read the safety instructions in the user manual before assembling the desk. The AndaSeat Xtreme standing desk comes in 2 boxes, one for the desktop and one for the frame and hardware. Carefully unpack the 2 boxes. Take out the foam layer and place it on a flat surface, then place the desktop on top to prevent scratches. Lay out all parts and compare them with the manual's parts list to check you've received everything needed. Use the 4mm hex key to loosen the pre-installed M6 10mm screws on the support beams. Then extend them to align with the desktop in the upcoming steps. Flip the left leg upside down and hold it upright. Align the table foot with the leg. Then tighten it using a 4mm hex key and M6 18mm screws. Then flip the leg right side up. Repeat the same steps with the right leg. Align the support beams with the legs. Fix them with the M6 12mm screws and 4mm hex key. Slide the center of the support beams to reveal the end screw holes. Then use the M6 14mm screws and 4mm hex key to tighten. Attach the 2 brackets to each end of the support beams with the 4mm hex key and M6 12mm screws. Now place the desktop upside down. Use the ST 3.5 16mm screws and screwdriver to attach the headphone holder, control panel, and cup holder to the desktop. Hold the frame by the legs and brackets and flip it over to carefully place on the desktop. Make sure the right leg is on the same side as the control panel. Extend the support beams to align with the desktop if needed. Once aligned, use the M6 18mm screws and 4mm hex key to fix the brackets to the desktop. Retighten the M6 10mm screws on support beams. Align the cable tray with the desktop and fix it with the M6 14mm screws and 4mm hex key. Grab the desk legs and carefully tilt the desk to a 90 degrees position. Dole the desk by the desktop and legs, then gently tilt it to the upright position. Now remove the fixing ring of the pop-out socket. Insert it through the desktop. Then put the fixing ring back on and tighten. Connect the left leg motor to the extension cord and connect it to the control panel. Connect the right leg power cable to the power adapter. And connect the power adapter to the control panel. Connect the right leg motor to the control panel. Plug the pop-out socket to the outlet on the right leg. And use the cable ties to fix the cable to the underside of the desktop. Connect the power cable to the leg socket and plug it into your outlets. Now your Xtreme standing desk is ready for use.